guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn something new. What is it? Let's start with this question. What is rectangular coordinate system? Without mathematics, there's nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is numbers. What is rectangular coordinate system? The rectangular coordinate system consists of two real number lines that intersect at a right angle. The horizontal number line is called the x-axis and the vertical number line is called the y-axis. These two number lines define a flat surface called the plane, and each point on this plane is associated with an ordered pair of real numbers x and y. Ordered pair or coordinates is a pair of numbers that locate a point in the coordinate plane. The first number of an ordered pair corresponds to a number on the x-axis called the abscissa or your x-coordinate. The second number of the ordered pair corresponds to a number on the y-axis called the ordinate or y-coordinate. The intersection of the two axes is known as the origin, which corresponds to the point 0, 0. Now this is what your coordinate plane or your Cartesian plane looks like. We have here the x-axis, your horizontal number line, and your y-axis, your vertical number line, and the intersection which has the coordinates of 0, 0, we call that origin. The idea of describing a point on the plane was systematized by René Descartes, a 17th century French mathematician and philosopher. The x and y axis break the plane into four regions called quadrants and named using Roman numerals 1, 2, 3, and 4 as pictured. In quadrant 1, both coordinates are positive. In quadrant 2, the x-coordinate is negative and the y-coordinate is positive. In quadrant 3, both coordinates are negative, and in quadrant 4, the x-coordinate is positive and the y-coordinate is negative. An ordered pair x and y represents the position of a point relative to the origin. The x-coordinate represents a position to the right of the origin if it is positive and to the left of the origin if it is negative. The y-coordinate represents a position above the origin if it is positive and below the origin if it is negative. So using this system, every position or point in the plane is uniquely identified. For example, the ordered pair 4 and negative 2 denotes the position relative to the origin as shown in the figure. abscissa is 3 and our ordinate is negative 5. The coordinates now of our point P is 3 and negative 5. Now, let's move forward to our point Q. Our point Q, here, the abscissa here is, we have negative 4. And our ordinate, we have positive 5. The coordinates now of our point Q is negative 4 and positive 5. Now, let's name our point R here. Our R here, take note, our I lies on the x-axis, and the value that we have here is we have negative 2. And our y-axis, our y coordinate is equivalent to, since it is here, located here, so our y coordinate is 0. The coordinates now of point P or point R rather is negative 2, 0. Alright, since we already know how to name the coordinates of the points, by the way, our coordinate is an ordered pair. When we say ordered pair, it is a set of two well-ordered real numbers. And again, the format will be the abscissa first and the ordinate second. Here in this illustration, we are going to plot the points, and I have here the points O, S, E, and N, and let's try. Okay, let's plot the points now. Let's start with our point O, so this one, with the coordinates 7 and negative 5. Now let's start with our x coordinate, which is 7, so it's here. And since our y coordinate is negative 5, so pa down, it's going to be going down, and we have to count 5. Okay, let's start and drawing an imaginary perpendicular line. So this is our point here, and this is our O. Okay, now let's plot point E with the coordinates 5, 0, and let's start with our x-axis or x coordinate. We have 5, and it's going to be here, and since our y here is 0, so the range, so our location of our point E is here on E. It lies on our x-axis. Very easy. Done with our point E. Now let's have point S, and the coordinates is negative 6 and positive 8. So locating our x coordinate, it is on our negative 6. And now let's have the point S with coordinates negative 6, 8. And let's locate our negative 6. It is here. And our y is positive 8, which is here. Now drawing an imaginary line going upwards. Here. And make an imaginary line going to the left. And this is the location of our point S. Alright. and -4. And the location of our x-coordinate is -4, so it is here, and our y is -4, so we're going to go down. Let's start here. Alright, so this is our, and this is now our here. So that easy. Alright, since we already know how to name the coordinates of the points, by the way, our coordinate is an ordered pair. When we say ordered pair, it is a set of two well-ordered real numbers. And again, the format will be the abscissa first and the coordinate second. Here, in this illustration, we are going to plot the points. And I have here the points O, S, P, and N. And let's try. Plot the points now. Let's start our point O, this one, with the coordinates 7 and 5. Now let's start with our x coordinate, which is 7, so it's here. And since our y coordinate is -5, so down is going to be going down, and we have to count 5. Okay. Let's start and going in imaginary perpendicular line. So this is our point here, and this is our point. Okay. And now let's plot point E with the coordinates 5, 0, and let's start with our x-axis or x-coordinate. We have 5, and it's going to be here, and since our y here is 0, so direct na siya. So our location of our point E is here on B. It lies on our x-axis. Very easy. Done with our point A. Now let's have point S, and the coordinates is -6 and +8. So locating our x coordinate, it is on our -6. And now let's have the point S with coordinates -6, 8. And let's locate our -6. It is here, and our y is +8, which is here. Now drawing an imaginary line going upwards here, and make an imaginary line to going to the left. And this is the location of our point S. Alright. Okay. Now, let's have our point N with coordinates -4 and -4. And the location of our x coordinate is -4, so it is here, and our y is -4, so we're going to go down. And okay, let's start here. Okay, going down, and this is our -4. Alright, so this is our n, so this is now our n. So that easy.